Are you tired of dragging around a bulky vacuum that barely picks up the dirt? Well, you're in for a treat. Today we're breaking down the 5 best Dyson cordless vacuums of 2025, models that pack serious power, versatility, and smart features into lightweight designs. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and click the notification bell. All product links are in the description below. Let's jump right in with our number 5 pick. Number 5. Dyson V11 Origin Cordless Vacuum. Kicking things off at number 5 is the Dyson V11 Origin, a dependable and powerful cordless vacuum that delivers impressive performance, especially for its price. With up to 60 minutes of runtime and 60% more power than the Dyson V8, the V11 Origin is built for whole home deep cleaning. It features 3 power modes: Auto for everyday tasks, Eco for max runtime, and Boost for spot cleaning. The LCD screen gives you real-time updates, including remaining battery life, maintenance alerts, and power mode indicators. The motor bar cleaner head handles all floor types with ease and actively detangles long hair and pet fur as you clean. Plus, the hair screw tool makes quick work of stairs, upholstery, and even car seats, removing long hair without tangles. At just 6.6 pounds, it's lightweight yet powerful. It converts to a handheld vacuum for added versatility and includes 4 Dyson-engineered accessories. The whole machine filtration system traps 99.99% of particles as small as 0.3 microns, so your air stays fresh. Made with strong yet lightweight materials and backed by Dyson's 2-year warranty and lifetime support, the V11 Origin is a fantastic value pick for budget-conscious shoppers who still want powerful cleaning. Number 4. Dyson V15s Detect Submarine. At number 4, we've got something special, the Dyson V15s Detect Submarine. This one isn't just a vacuum, it washes your hard floors too. Designed for wet and dry cleaning, this model comes with 3 advanced cleaner heads: the digital motor bar for carpets and general use, the fluffy Optic for hard floors, and the standout Submarine wet roller head that removes tough stains and liquid messes simultaneously. With 100% more power than the Dyson V8 and up to 60 minutes of runtime, it adapts suction based on floor type and debris level. The LCD screen displays particle counts in real time, proof of a deep clean, and shows remaining battery and maintenance alerts. The Submarine cleaner head picks up liquids and debris while continuously cleaning itself, leaving floors streak-free. It even covers over 1,000 square feet on a full tank. You'll also find Dyson's innovative hair screw tool for pet hair and tangles, along with 8 Dyson-engineered accessories for cleaning high, low, and everything in between. It's cordless, converts to a handheld, and offers edge-to-edge cleaning under furniture. The advanced filtration system captures 99.99% of particles as small as 0.3 microns. For those with hard floors who want it all in one device, dry vacuuming, wet mopping, and deep cleaning, the Dyson V15s Detect Submarine is a game changer. Number 3. Dyson Gen5 Outsize. Coming in at number 3 is the Dyson Gen5 Outsize, built for those who need serious cleaning power across larger homes. This vacuum brings the same Dyson technology you love, but in a bigger, longer-lasting format. With up to 140 minutes of cordless runtime using dual batteries and a 150% larger dustbin, you can clean your whole house without interruption. The Gen5 Outsize has a 25% wider digital motor bar XL cleaner head that covers more ground with each pass and actively detangles long hair and pet fur as you clean. Whether it's carpets, hardwood, or tile, this model handles all surfaces effortlessly. You get 3 power modes to match your cleaning needs: Auto for balance, Eco for max runtime, and Boost for powerful spot cleaning. The LCD screen provides real-time performance updates, from power level to maintenance alerts. It transforms quickly into a handheld vacuum and includes 4 Dyson-engineered accessories, including a built-in dusting and crevice tool and the reliable hair screw tool. The whole machine HEPA filtration traps 99.99% of particles down to 0.3 microns and expels cleaner air. Charging and storage are made easy with a wall-mounted dock. If you have a large home or want to vacuum less often with a bigger bin and longer battery life, the Gen5 Outsize is a heavy-duty solution that doesn't compromise on convenience. Number 2. Dyson Gen5detect. Our runner-up is the Dyson Gen5detect, and it's Dyson's most powerful cordless vacuum to date. With 250 air watts of fade-free suction and a next-gen Gen5 Hyperdymium motor spinning at 135,000 RPM, this beast delivers over 115% more power than earlier models. You'll get 70 minutes of runtime backed by a high-capacity 10-cell lithium-ion battery. It features improved illumination tech that reveals 2 times more invisible dust with a precisely angled, fluffy optic cleaner head. The digital motor bar cleaner head tackles all floor types and automatically detangles long hair and pet fur. What's really magical is the LCD screen. It doesn't just show power mode and battery life, it also counts and categorizes particles in real time. You'll know exactly how much dust you're picking up and when to move on. Advanced HEPA filtration captures 99.99% of particles as small as 0.1 microns, including allergens and viruses. It even has a dust detection sensor that adjusts section power automatically up to 15,000 times per second. The Gen5detect converts to a handheld vacuum and includes a built-in dusting and crevice tool, hair screw tool, and a wall-mounted dock. For those who want cutting-edge cleaning intelligence, maximum power, and precise feedback on performance, the Gen5detect is a top-tier choice. Number 1. Dyson V15 Detect. And finally, our number 1 pick for 2025 is the Dyson V15detect Cordless Vacuum. It strikes the perfect balance of power, intelligence, and versatility, making it the best Dyson cordless vacuum overall. Powered by a Hyperdymium motor that spins at 125,000 RPM, it delivers 240 air watts of section. With up to 60 minutes of fade-free cleaning, you can tackle your entire home with ease. This model features 2 advanced cleaner heads. The fluffy optic head illuminates invisible dust on hard floors, and the digital motor bar head deep cleans all floor types and actively removes long hair and pet fur. What sets the V15detect apart is its real-time intelligence. The onboard LCD screen displays particle counts, power modes, and maintenance alerts. A piezo sensor adapts suction based on debris level and floor type, giving you just the right amount of power when you need it. It converts to a handheld vacuum and includes 5 Dyson-engineered accessories, including the hair screw tool for pet beds and upholstery. The whole machine HEPA filtration captures 99.99% of particles down to 0.3 microns. Made with lightweight, durable materials and supported by a 2-year warranty and lifetime Dyson support, the V15detect offers unmatched performance and usability. If you want the smartest, most complete Dyson vacuum available today, this is the one. Quick recap. So, which one is right for you? Let's break it down one last time. Want reliable performance and value? The Dyson V11 Origin delivers strong suction and smart features at a great price. Need wet and dry versatility? The Dyson V15s detects Submarine, vacuums, and mops in one go. Got a big house? The Dyson Gen5 Outsize gives you extended runtime and a larger bin. Want the most power and intelligence? The Dyson Gen5detect adapts to your floors and counts particles live. Looking for the best all-around cordless vacuum? The Dyson V15detect leads the pack in every way. Thanks for watching. If this helped you pick the right Dyson cordless vacuum, give us a thumbs up, drop your questions in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech reviews. All product links are listed below in the description. Check them out, and happy cleaning.